Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer network settings and hostname using systemd, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer network settings and hostname using systemd, begin by opening a terminal window.
Ensure you have administrative privileges to perform these actions.
First, check your current hostname by typing hostname. Note down the existing hostname for reference. To change the hostname, use the command hostname set hostname new_hostname. Replace new_hostname with your desired hostname.
Next, navigate to the network configuration directory by typing cd/etc/systemd/network. If the directory doesn't exist, you will need to create it using dir/etc/systemd/network. Create a new network configuration file by entering nano10eth0.network. Replace eth0 with your actual network interface name. In this file, define your network settings. Start with match section and specify your interface name. Add a network section to define your IP settings. For example, to set a static IP, use address equals 192.168.1.100/24. Under the same section, add gateway equals 192.168.1.1. If required, specify DNS servers using DNS equals 8.8.8.88.8.4.4. Save the file and exit the text editor by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, followed by Enter. To apply these changes, restart the systemd network service. Use the command system to restart systemd networked. Confirm the changes have taken effect by running IP address show. You should see the newly assigned IP address for your network interface. To verify the hostname, simply rerun the hostname command. This step confirms that the hostname has been updated successfully. Lastly, ensure that all services dependent on the network settings are notified of the changes. You can do this by running system to restart networking. Your network settings and hostname have now been successfully transferred and configured using systemd. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.